Welcome to Rudolph's Run! Santa is having trouble flying his sleigh through the fog. Help Rudolph shine his bright light by choosing the words that begin the same way. Choose between two words and get Santa safely back to the North Pole. For example, deer begins like the word doll. What word begins like candle, milk, cookies? Cookies. What word begins like stocking, sleigh, elf? Sleigh. What word begins like mistletoe, mittens, nutcracker? Mittens. What word begins like sweater, lights, snow globe? Snow globe. What word begins like carolers, card, ornament? Card. What word begins like garland, gift, wreath? Gift. What word begins like bell, candy, bow? Bow. Way to go! You helped Rudolph get Santa safely back to the North Pole. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more Silly Lily learning games.